In this Pepe furniture assembly video, we'll be showing you how to build a Pirkko table. In your Pirkko table kit, you will receive 2 leg struts, 2 pairs of legs, like that, a bag of fixings, and the tabletop itself. Your Pirkko pack will come with 8 nails and 4 zinc bolts with nuts and washers. The tools you'll need is a 13mm spanner and a hammer. A mallet is useful but not necessarily needed. Take the Pirkko tabletop and place it on your workbench. Pick an A-frame and make sure that the symbols match up to the bar's symbols. You then take the bolts, which will go into the pre-drilled holes, push them through. Once they're pushed in, give them a tap with a rubber mallet. This helps pinch them into place. Try to put the nuts and washers on at the same time and do them up to finger tight before securing them further with a spanner. Watch out for over-tightening, as this process can easily crush the wood. Repeat the process on the other side. Once you've done that, it's time to put on the slats. Make sure that they are both measured in 7 centimeters from the leg ends. Then line up the ends flush with the side of the wood before putting the galvanized nails into the pre-drilled holes. Give them a tap to secure them before fixing them down. A good way of doing this is to pick diagonally opposite corners and then secure all 4. Then repeat the process on the other side. Pepe garden furniture is pressure treated. This process can leave batten marks, as you see here, but they weather in over time. We recommend that you use the furniture protector provided with every kit in ½ litre, 1 litre or 2.5 litre tins, depending on the size of the item. This should be applied every 2 to 3 years, depending on exposure, evenly to the outside. Concentrate a little bit more on the end grains and the end of the legs for this darker finish. And there you have it, your finished Pirkko table.